Okay, he is eating ghost pepper jalapeno buffalo wings. They're excruciatingly painfully hot. I bought them yesterday at Grinders in Kansas City, Missouri. They're so hot that the celery touching the wing, I ate a piece of it and I almost couldn't talk. I was in so much pain. And I got them for Bernard. I can't even eat one and I love buffalo wings. We have the glass of milk ready. He's got the glass of milk ready. There's a glare out that window. There we go, it's better. This man eats jalapenos like candy. What other kind of peppers do you eat?
All kinds of this shit.
Oh, poor, he's got one down. I got 6 of them. It's unreal hot. You never can imagine. Ghost peppers are the hottest, horrible peppers. He's eating that all the way down the bone. Are you liking it? He is tearing up.
God.
His eyes are watering. What is your lips feel like?
Oh, God, they're red.
Are they on fire?
Yeah.
I told you Vaseline. Put Vaseline on your lips. It's too late now.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You think you can eat all of them? He's gonna give it the Bernard try.
Whoever made these, they fucking knew what they were doing. No, I'm serious.
He usually doesn't cuss, but this is really bringing it out. Is your throat like on fire? I couldn't even lick it. That would be in horrible pain. Bubba, you guys be quiet out there. I'm videotaping. Oh my God. So I don't know how you do it. I can't do it. There's just no way. Ha ha, Laper. I'm videotaping of eating these. These are horribly hot. It's bad. I have never in my life tasted anything so. Oh, it's bad. You went to Grinders? You went to Grinders?
What's that?
No, these are nuts. No. They make these from ghost peppers and habanero. This is their recipe, their special sauce. I took one celery. There was celery that touched them. You couldn't see nothing on the celery. I ate the celery, and I'm like, oh my God! I was going, my whole face was on fire. It was so bad. He's like tearing up and sweating.
Yeah.
And he eats hot food all the time.
Do that.
You got how many down?
2.
2? I think you always trying to eat 2.
Yeah.
You're crying.
Okay.
Now there was a little like young guy. He was like 20 years old. They videotaped him, and he ate all 6 of them, and he wore like doctor gloves, like the rubber gloves to eat them. That's how bad it is. You cannot touch your fingers to your face for hours. Don't rub your eyes. You'll be in horrible pain. They cannot sell these to minors.
Really? Wow.
Yes, their lawyer said you cannot sell these to minors. That's how bad they are. I mean, a minor, can you imagine if somebody like me thought they were mild ones and accidentally got one of those? Oh, I mean, it'd be a lawsuit. It's worse. I would rather eat glass than eat those. They're horrible. And they have a good taste and they smell wonderful, but they're just so.
You got the food?
Oh wait, this is clean.
Okay.
It's a dish rack. Wipe your eye. Oh God, don't touch your face though.
No.
Be careful that. Oh, it's bad, dude. Oh, so bad. He's already gone through half the milk. You can save him for later.
Yeah, I got my too.
Save them. Eat them later. You don't want to kill yourself. Have a hard.
These things are hot.
I mean, it's kind of hard to breathe, isn't it?
Well, I could smell them when they were cooking.
Yeah. See, I couldn't even smell it. He could tell they were hot, just sitting on the plate, just with them in front of him. He's like, these are really, really hot. Super hot. You could just feel, you could smell the heat. It burns your nose.
I wouldn't say burn, but you can tell it's a whole different,
Ball game.
You can smell them.
So, did these kick your ass or what?
These things are hot.
They're bad.
Whoever ate all 6 of these is a bad.
He was a little scrawny, like, college kid. And he just ate, I mean, he ate down to the bone, savoring every moment. And I don't think he even watered his eyes or got snotty nose even. I don't think so. I don't know how he did it.
Do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, that shit is hot.
Fat girls roll. Bye. Love you.